Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to iPad mini 2021. First of all, go into Play Store on Motorola and App Store on iPad. Then choose Allow Once or Allow while using the app and tap on the search bar. Now you need to type Send Anywhere. And download this free app from this developer. Following that, tap on Open. Then choose Allow access to all photos, tap on Allow and choose OK on iPad. Now we will need to wait for this one to download. And then we can open it. Click on I accept, confirm, continue and finally allow. Then go with receive on Apple device and send on Motorola. Now you need to click on all of those kind of dots and select send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only go with this one photo, just send and click got it. From here we have two connection ways. You can input this key over here and tap on receive or scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on this scanning icon over here on iPad, tap on OK and point your device's camera at the QR code. Now click on OK. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!